What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and I want to thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. So today, everybody, we're talking pad cleaning. I've been talking about doing this video for a while, and I'm going to show you guys Smurf's way of cleaning your pads. These pads have all been sitting for a while. I want to show you guys what I use and my routine for cleaning my pads and taking care of my pads. So let's get straight to the point. So I make my own cleaner, and how do I do that? I'm going to show you guys right meow. All right. So first things first, I'm going to take my P&S. Got to say that slow. Subtitles are not your friend. My P&S Rags to Riches. This is my microfiber detergent. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and squeeze. I'm going to squeeze an ounce. Yeah, is that a lot? But yeah, I like to get everything out of my pads. This stuff is fantastic for cleaning your microfiber towels and releasing your old spent. You might use them to wipe off compounds or waxes, and this stuff works good to help release all that stuff from the microfibers. So I figured, hey, why not try this on my pads? And it works phenomenal, guys. All right, so I do about an ounce of that. I take my Dawn dish soap. If it's good enough for the duckies, it's good enough for my patties. And you guys, I don't measure. Smurf wings it. I give it a little squirt of some Dawn dish soap. Not too much. Last but not least, I take a little dab of some Super Clean, my all-purpose cleaner. We're gonna give a little bit of pour in there like that. And then we're gonna fill the rest up with some water. You guys are probably wondering, how do I control my excitement when cleaning pads, right? Let's face it, nobody likes to clean pads, but it's something we gotta do. We gotta do. And honestly, I've been doing it this way for a long time. Before I had my Rags to Riches, I used my 3D towel clean. Once again, I'm gonna try to remember. I'm trying to get better at putting links and everything. I'm gonna put the links to all this stuff in the Dawn dish soap. Come on now, I ain't gotta put a link to that. You can get it anywhere. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Having your little handy dandy screw on top thingy-majig, that's what I'm gonna call it, so you don't spill, is pretty awesome. So that's pretty much my mixture. I'm gonna go ahead and shake her up. It's gonna turn a nice cool blue. What do you know? For a Smurf. All right, so there you go. You got your pre-mixed pad cleaner. Now, what I'm gonna do is, what I recommend, what you can do is you can pre-soak. You can pre-soak in a bucket for about half hour with some Rags to Riches. Put an ounce in there, soak your pads. But what I do is, for one, I forgot to put gloves on. Make sure you put some gloves on. I didn't, but you can see this pad is got some compound in it. So what I'm gonna do is, what I like to do is I like to go ahead and, sounds like my trigger's farting, sorry guys. I like to spray it on there and let it soak. You want to let it soak. I usually let them soak for, the longer you let them soak without drying out is better. I'll pre-soak them, let them sit for 15, 20 minutes, and then I'll rinse them out. I'll show you guys here in a second. Another tip is, a lot of you guys like the Eurofiber pads. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna pre-soak the pad with my farting nozzle. Microfiber pads, same thing. There's not that much in the microfiber pad because I was just doing some testing with it. I'm gonna pre-soak, just like so. And another thing that I like to do is these little nylon black brushes. You can get them at like the auto parts store. They come in like a 3-pack with some wire brushes, and they have the plastic nylon one. These little brushes here work awesome. But what I like to do is, try to get you guys in here. What I like to do is come in here, and I just like to kind of agitate it into the fibers a little bit. Not too hard. You're not scrubbing too hard at all. You're not trying to, you know, really clean yet. But I like to kind of scrub it a little bit, get it in there. You can see it works that foam up. Same thing for my microfiber. Sorry guys, terrible camera work. It's a very simple task that everyone hates doing, but probably out there like, why'd you just buy a pad machine? I don't do it enough and often. This is for those like me, weekend warriors. I don't polish all the time. I'm not out polishing daily. So what I'll do here is I'll let it soak, and then we're gonna go over and rinse them out, and you guys will see how easy this stuff comes out. All right, everybody, we moved outside into my yard where I got my Get a Little set up here where I rinse my pads because I haven't got a sink yet in my garage, which I'm planning to do. So I've got my pads here, and as you can see, they've been soaking. They get nice and lathery. Now what you guys want to do is I just go ahead and work this in my pad. There's a lot of people out there that say don't oversaturate your pads, blah, blah, blah. Okay, that's fine. I've never had a problem in 2 years, so. But I don't use my pads every single day, so that may be a factor. So see how, you guys know I like lather. So I like to lather up my pad. Work that foam, and I just come over here. You guys see I got my gloves on. You can see all that stuff coming out. Sorry if you guys hear my dog barking in the back. Now you can see here, as I'm squeezing it, there's nothing but clear water coming out. You guys want to make sure that you get all the soap out of the pad. You can see there, there's nothing left. Now, I'll show you how I do my Eurofiber and microfiber pads. This is the brush I was telling you guys about. What I like to do is just get it a little bit wet, and I like to basically agitate all the fibers. These are important because you want to make sure you get all the stuff, all the old compound and dried up polishes out of your pad. This brush isn't too stiff. It's just got enough backbone to it to clean well. And then I'll put it under the water, and I'll do the same thing with my brush. Just like so. Yes, will the pad washer make this quicker? But honestly, this isn't too terrible for me, guys. You can already see that not a lot of stuff is coming out. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Go ahead and set my brush down. Here's where I might get some flock. I'll scrunch up my pad and I'll squeeze it out. One more time. Squeeze it out. Make sure I don't see any kind of soap or anything coming out of it. Squeeze it out like so. Then we're going to jump over to the polisher, and then we're going to spin dry it and see what we got. All right, everybody, so I went ahead and I've got my pads all cleaned out. The next step that I do is I'll take my polisher, any polisher that you got. I'm using my M15 Pro G here. What you're going to want to do is center your pad, and down here I've got a spare bucket. What I'll do is I'll turn my polisher on. I'll go ahead and spin it. Oh, gonna throw some water up. Just like that. And you got a clean pad. Now another thing that I want to tell you guys about is a little tip that I learned from my buddy Rick at Rad Garage. So I bought these Velcro strips off Amazon, and I lined them across my detail cart. So when you're done cleaning your pads, all you gotta do is stick them just like that on your cart, hang dry them, and you're pretty much good to go. So that is my process. I'll spin dry this one. I don't bother changing it to a 3-inch plate. I just kind of center it as good as I can, like so. Go ahead. Spin it real quick. And just like that, we've got a nice, fresh, clean pad. And where do I stick it to dry? Right on my cart. That's pretty nifty. I'll make sure to leave the link for these if I can find it. Any Velcro strips will work, but I'll leave a link if you guys want to go check that out. I've got them all around my cart so I can stick all my pads around my cart to dry. And that is the Papa Smurf process of pad cleaning. Let's jump into some quick final thoughts, and yeah. All right, everybody, just a quick final thoughts segment. Running you guys through, this was the Smurf pad cleaning tutorial. Are there multiple ways to clean pads? Absolutely, guys. You can get your pad washer when you're done. You can go tumble them in the dryer. Some people wash them in the washer and then put them in the dryer. You guys, this is how I've been cleaning my pads for the past 2 years. I've never had an issue. And as you guys can see, I've got some nice clean pads. I mean, they smell good. And the best thing about it is I really discovered using the microfiber detergent to clean my microfiber pads, you know, the Eurofiber and my microfiber, because when it's done, it leaves them nice and soft. Really does work good. You just have to make sure you get all that stuff out of there. So rinse them out really well, spin dry them, and as you can see, they're nice and clean. I love it. I've never had an issue with it. So as far as measurements, you guys, I don't know, I wing it every time. I could have a little more rags to riches or a little more super clean than Dawn one time, a little more Dawn than super clean the other time, but it doesn't matter. Just wing it. It'll work. You'll be just fine. Wanted to keep this video short. These Velcro, the Velcro around the cart, fantastic. Stick all my pads around it and let them dry, and then you'll be good to go. Just a little pack of Velcro strips that I got on Amazon. They look like this. They have both sides. I just peel off the other side and stick it. Works phenomenal. That is the pad cleaning tutorial for Papa Smurf. Quick, easy video. I know some of my subscribers have been wanting a pad cleaning video. So there it is. I appreciate all you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. You guys don't understand how much the love and support means. If you guys like this video, this type of video, style video, whether it be paint polishing, detail, product reviews, how-tos, tutorials, stuff like that. If you guys enjoyed, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me while you're down there. Click that little notification bell. That way you don't miss any future uploads. Once again, I want to say thank you all. And for those who stick around to the very end, you're going to get the deets because I just hit 5,000 subscribers and I could not be any happier to have you guys all along the journey. And for that, I'm going to be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway, and it's going to be awesome. I've been waiting for this. It came up a little quicker than I anticipated. That last couple hundred really rolled through. Once again, thank you all. 5K subscriber giveaway. What you're going to want to do is down in the comments, you're going to want to leave a comment, and in that comment somewhere, there's got to be the word tacos. So you need to be subscribed to my channel. Make sure that your subscriptions are not set to private because I won't be able to see if you're subscribed to my channel or not. So go into your settings and change your subscriptions from private to public. That way I can see if you are subscribed to my channel. You must be in the United States. I'm not shipping outside of the United States, guys. My apologies. So somewhere in the comments has to be the word tacos with an S. Tacos. You know I love me some tacos. And I will be hosting that giveaway, and I will be picking the winners. There will be multiple winners, guys. I'm gonna try to give away more than just one thing or three things. So I really want to take the time and thank you guys. So Friday, August 27th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I will be doing a live stream to announce the winners of my giveaway. So one more time, you're gonna want to be subscribed to my channel. Set your subscriptions on your channel to public, not private, because then I won't be able to see if you are subscribed to my channel. Rule number 3, you have to be in the US and you must be present during that live stream. If you're not in that live stream on Friday, August 27th, you will not win. So I wanted to put that at the end of the video to make sure all my faithfuls that watch all the way to the end. And once again, thank you guys all. I can't wait to give you guys away some free stuff. I'm gonna be giving away a couple custom built Smurf boxes. You guys know I love glove box detail. I've saved some old boxes. I'm gonna pack those full of stuff. We're gonna be giving those away. I'm gonna be giving away a banner. I got some stickers, and I might even give away a polisher. So thank you guys again. I appreciate all you guys that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel again. Thank you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys all on the next video.